champion Ateneo Blue Eagles. Taking in some volleyball action. Must be happy for his mates sa Ateneo. They're up by 2 already, 17-15 against UST, set number 3, and they're looking at closing it out all here. I don't know.
If they do, this will surely be a good start for the Lady Eagles here in this season.
Caballejo. Kainglet. Oh, nice save.
And look at Ateneo. When it comes to defense, you really see them go after the ball.
Ferrer over to the other side. De Jesus.
Oh.
Punching it through the blockers and scoring for Ateneo again.
You can now sense some frustration here on the side of UST.
Well, masyadong hiwalay din yung block. Ano? Kita mo naman yung papasukan ng bola eh.
And Caballejo's hands weren't firm enough. Kaya lumusot din yung bola in between.
Ateneo, biggest lead of set number 3 at 3 points. Ferrer. De Jesus. Caballejo scoring for UST this time. Hitting it off the blockers and out of bounds. It seems like every time UST gets a point, it's after like 3, 4, 5 attempts at the net, ano? As compared to Ateneo, how easily they score the points.
But I think, you know, it all boils down to number 1, defense and reception. For Ateneo, you'll see that every play that they have, very few steps na lang that Jem Ferrer has to take for her to set up the ball. But for UST, it's either makaka-set up ng maayos, hindi makulangan, or somebody else will actually take the second ball.
Ferrer, a rare error on the set, on the second touch. She's not the best setter of season 73 for nothing. Timeout call here. We'll listen in to Coach Gorayev of Ateneo.
Bablocking ka ba nun? Di siyempre magkukompress sa gitna. Diba? Kontrolin yung maigi. Jem, bigay mo sa spiker ng bola lagi. Hayaan mo muna sila. Nadidigpas mo, ganun lang. Buti pa dinulong mo na yan. Depensahan yung maigi. Alam mo ba, hindi ka makablock? Ang inaabangan mong set niya yung sa open. Hindi mo inaabangan si Ortiz. Si Ortiz yan eh. Pag may receive yan, ibibigay yung bola kay Ortiz. So abangan mo na si Ortiz. Bayaan mo na mag-single block sa dulo. Ha? Yes.
Coach Gorayev very wary of Micah Ortiz, the team captain of UST. And sinabi niya, no, concentrate ka na lang kay Ortiz. Bahala na yung kabilang side. Kahit single na lang, basta ikaw, you're on Ortiz.
That's right. Well, we've seen naman how effective Ortiz is pagdating sa front line. She's scored a lot from quick attacks. And for the perfectionist Coach Roger, syempre, ayaw mo na makapunta sa yung UST. But, you know, on the side of his team, everyone, all of his attackers are really having their own contribution in their points.
Para pala sa mga hindi nakaabot nung ating first game with Boom Gonzalez and Doc Ian Laurel, ang NU Lady Bulldogs winning over the Lady Maroons of UP in style. 3 straight sets as Herbacio gets another point. 20-17 Ateneo. Quite a set put up there by Ferrero. Let's listen into this timeout called by UST.
Defense pattern natin, ayaw yung sundin. Kaya maliit naman yung dalawang dulo, di ba? Anong gusto mong play? I-play one mo na lang sa open spiker na isa? Kasi pag pinapalo mo si Micah, dalawang blocker na, kaso ang baba ng set mo eh. Pwede mo na itaas kay Micah. Ha? Ang baba masyado kung backwick lang yan.
Coach Mamon, Oji Mamon, first-year head coach of UST. Medyo para kay Rhea, di makulangan yata yung talk na yun, no?
Specific instructions for Rhea. I think dito gusto nilang iwasan ang blockers ng Ateneo, and we've seen in the statistics earlier that if there's anything Ateneo did improve when it comes to blocking, and Coach Ojin Mamon recognizes that.
No matter how hard UST pounds it, Ateneo finds a way to keep it alive. It's amazing the kind of defense Ateneo has on the floor. De Jesus. Not the same thing we can say for UST though in this game. Medyo kala talaga yung depensa nila.
Oh, another ball.
Outside shot.
Blew out.
It's frustration, it seems, as well, no? And for UST, no matter what you do, mabalik yung bola, no?
That's right. And no matter what play they try to execute, talagang nadidepensahan itong Lady Eagles.
21 serving 17. Set number 3. That time a rare error on the part of the highly vaunted defense of Ateneo. Katapos nating banggitin ang banggitin. Nakatulog na konti.
But that was a good point, though, on the part of UST. They'll be needing more of that, but Caballejo just sends that one out. Sayang, because this really is a crucial set. Ateneo is down to its last 3 points before they actually close out the third set.
One step forward, 2 steps back for UST here with the kind of errors they're committing. Again, another poor reception on the first touch. Easy ball for Ateneo. Here comes the attack.
Oh, that's not going to help their cause.
With a gentle kick.
It seems like it's going to be smooth sailing from here on in. Coach Mamon putting in a couple of new players on the floor. We've got number 8, that's Tunay, and Lantin checking in for the Tigresses.
You know, if there's anything, if you know what, if for example Ateneo now closes out the third set, I think it could work 2 ways for UST. One, either ang sama nun because they started the season with a loss, but on the other side, pwede mo rin namang isipin, it will make them hungry, and you know, it will make them want to perform better in the next game.
Well, let's listen to the maybe final instructions of Coach Mamon.
Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, you miss number 1, meron tayong number 2. Anong number 2 natin? Learn! Okay? Definitely wala tayong number 3. Okay? Let's go. Kaya pa. Pumuntos kayo, maraming mangyayari dyan.
Ateneo already at match point 24-18, but of course, as a coach, only thing you can do is motivate your girls, you know?
Match point advantage.
And anyways, this is, you know, if I were UST, this is just the first game. Your lineup is composed of a lot of rookies. Of course, they have a lot of experience to gain as well. And, you know, I think it's good that in their first match, they already went up against a team like Ateneo. Kasi ang ganda na na-experience mo rin yun agad. It will make you hungrier for a win in your next match.
Well, right now the Tigresses are mighty hungry for sure as they end set number 3 off their own errors. And what a finish and what a start for Ateneo, sweeping UST in 3 straight sets in the first meeting and their first match of season 74. Confirmation of the Lady Eagles win over the Tigresses 25-16, 25-23, and 25-18. We'll be back with our best player and to wrap it up after these.